Welcome to Prestige Car Supermarket and this 2018 BMW X1 20D xLine. Some of this car's key features include the Glacier Silver metallic paintwork, these gloss black 18-inch alloys, front and rear park distance control, a reversing camera, piano black interior trim, and heated front seats. Around the front of the car, you can see we've got features such as the BMW badging, the chrome kidney grille, along with the black trims down below. To the side of the car, you can see we've got the chrome roof rails, along with the chrome window surround and the privacy glass. And just down below, you've got the xDrive 20D badging. And to the rear of the car, you get the BMW badging once again, along with the chrome X1 model designation and the dual tailpipes down below. This car's powered by a 2-litre diesel engine, making around 187 brake horsepower. That power goes to all four wheels through the ZF AHP automatic gearbox. Some of the other features of this car include these BMW branded kick plates, this leather multifunction steering wheel with shift paddles, automatic headlights, the black Dakota leather interior, dual zone climate control, a start stop button, and this iDrive 6 infotainment display, which includes navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth and voice control. That's our 2018 BMW X1 20D xLine.